Oh, I forgot to turn it on. Can you put it back?
There it is.
Put it back together, do it again.
Are you serious?
Watch out up there. Watch the metal. Look inside. See what's back there.
Okay.
Probably pull that thing out of there now.
Is that it?
It's safe now, guys.
Is the craziness over?
The mayhem.
You've been watching too many of those Kill Bill movies.
You guys would have been dismantling that crowd.
Yep, that's right.
You would have been.
Well, that's right.
That would have been one day dismantling.
Right. Well, we want to, we want to perfect the dismantlement.
Away from the rail.
I told you that's the way I thought you should do it.
This stuff will probably burn pretty good.
The pain and all.
Handling. I lost track what I was doing.
Are we? Well, you lucked out that time, Philip. No kickbacks, no broken chains.
That's the #1 electric chainsaw on the market. Amazon.
You need
Is that what their paid reviewers said? Ooh, close. Oh. Okay.
Thing's got some power, huh?
Are there any final words for the viewers? What's the lesson to be learned here? Huh? Don't wait for the mamby-pamby.
Act first, think second.
That makes
Okay,
power.
our problem.